ça dépend des arrêts, des trucs comme ça, parce que le sucre, c'est bon.
Welcome to Morocco. Yeah, baby, we are in the land of mint tea, sweet mint tea. Although I drank it a little bit less sweet than what custom wants it here. First day in Marrakech, it's 10 a.m. and on today's agenda there's only one item, and that is to eat the most delicious, juicy, meaty TANGIA. What is TANGIA? It's this big clay vessel in the shape of an urn where you pack it with meat, let it rest in a communal oven for hours, and the meat is becoming so tender it will be a divine feast. We're very lucky. Our friend Mike started cooking yesterday. He actually hired, I think, 2 people to make enough TANGIA for everybody.
On a mis de l'huile d'olive, des feuilles de laurier, du safran, etc.
And he was like, hey guys, today I'm gonna pick you up in the morning and then all we do for the rest of the day is eat. Sounds fabulous to me. Only problem, breakfast was really good, so we already ate a lot. Yeah. So this is a Moroccan bisimin, which is like a crepe. Very crunchy, very tasty. Is that Mike? Hello! Yum.
Yummy, yummy.
This is the famous Mike.
Hi.
Mike has been cooking the TANGIA since yesterday, what, 9 p.m.?
Yeah. Other cities, they don't do it.
Really?
No, it's famous in Marrakech.
Okay, so I hope you're ready. It's gonna be delicious.
Pass in the front door of the hammam before going to the back door, plus the solar panels.
Oh, interesting.
One of the for the room, man and woman.
Perfect. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for, we're going behind the hammam to pick up our TANGIA. Hopefully, no cats have gotten to it.
Allez, look, all the TANGIAs from the people coming, bringing them. So that's olive pits. Ooh.
These are olive pits?
And we're using the waste of the olive oil. It's not. We're not waiting for people eating olive.
Wow.
Ça c'est les cendres. Donc les
it smells so good.
This
is a next generation hammam. Instead of using wood in order to create the necessary energy to heat the hammam, they use olive pits, which has plenty in Morocco, and it's much more.
So that's the real TANGIA.
Oh.
It's not from a fancy restaurant.
It's restaurant Mike.
You have the real experience of the TANGIA.
I'm starving.
Non, on est tellement bien aujourd'hui.
Ça ressemble à quoi?
Ça ressemble à ça.
It looks juicy.
Oh yeah.
Un peu ça gentiment.
Mais au pire, ça jute, hein?
Ouais, non, c'est ça. C'est pour ça que
Il y a beaucoup de c'est gras, hein. C'est diet.
Oh.
Wow. But all of you guys are fit.
Non.
On va manger tous les jours.
Vas-y, tu le fais très bien.
Hey, il est beau le poulet. This requires a lot of muscles.
Il y a des fleurs de laurier. On a amené du pain Belgique.
Ouais, mais c'est très bizarre. Merci Mike.
Bravo. Vas-y, maintenant la chez c'est reposé ou
Plutôt.
la sauce.
Voilà.
Such a tourist.
C'est la façon.
Has cooked for 12 hours.
Ils sont lents.
Oh yeah. So tender. Oh mon dieu, mais t'as vu?
Même temps.
Anne, c'est bon?
Mais là, je mange juste l'os. But it's so tender. The meat came out, so I'm just gonna eat the bone. Even the bone is
The
like,
meat is better.
wow. What?
You want more?
Yeah, me too.
Done. Meat version done. So delicious. I think I might drink the olive oil.
That's so good. Expectation or like your expectations?
Beyond expectations.
Yeah.
It's actually more tender than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
12 hours. Oh, yeah.
Working with the American Denver School of Mines.
Thank you.
And the University of California.
Vous avez mis de l'orange?
Il y a du
Citron confit.
natural.
Look at all the skin now. Whoops, twice.
Just see it.
She's totally laughing at me.
Et
Mais elle les connaît, elle.
tu connais?
Ouais, il y a quelques places au moins.
only one of them.
In Marrakech.
in Marrakech.
She's nice.
On la refera.
So what they're saying, hush hush, is that
Yeah.
tanja is the
That's
only
the-
dish made by men in Morocco.
Yeah,
Where they use
Yeah, especially in Marrakech.
absolutely. Tangia for women. So when you come to Marrakesh, you have to eat tangia. At my place. It's time to open a restaurant.
Oh wow!
Tu dois goûter ça.
What?
Okay. Wow.
Okay, can we just talk about the size of the steak? The size. Oh my god, it's the size of my ear. It's the same size of my ear.
Ça fait longtemps que tu l'as.
Oh wow.
Come on, Mike.
envie, c'est bon.
On passe.
Natural sugar. It's so sweet.
Les dates de Rachidia, hein, du Maroc.
Oh. Tiens bien les clés s'il est bon. Oh wow. Ça s'appelle avec la sauce couchée.